In today's world of home design, minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. Yet, minimalism doesn't always mean plain white walls and empty spaces. Imagine a space that is bold yet simple, elegant yet striking, a modern black home that stands as a testament to minimalist contemporary style. This approach celebrates the beauty of contrast, where black becomes more than just a color. It is a powerful statement that redefines elegance. Black is often viewed as a color of mystery and sophistication. When used thoughtfully in a modern home, it transforms from a mere shade to a canvas of possibilities. Black exterior walls paired with sleek, minimalistic lines create a commanding presence while blending seamlessly with nature. Inside, black becomes a backdrop, making each element more intentional and each material more expressive. The result is a home that feels both grounded and strikingly modern. Minimalism is often misunderstood as an absence of decor. However, a modern black home redefines minimalism by embracing depth and texture. Matte black walls contrasted with polished black concrete floors introduce layers that are simple yet captivating. The balance of black and natural light enhances this sense of depth, drawing the eye to curated furnishings and subtle accents. It's a celebration of thoughtful restraint, each piece chosen for its function and form, each space curated for intentional living. A modern black home may seem intimidating in concept, but the real magic happens when natural light interacts with dark surfaces. Expansive windows become not just a source of light, but a deliberate design element. Sunlight filtering through creates a play of shadows that soften the intensity of black, adding a sense of warmth and invitation. The dance between light and shadow breathes life into the space, ensuring it feels dynamic rather than heavy. To prevent a black home from feeling stark or overwhelming, the careful selection of materials is essential. Polished black stone, textured wood, sleek metal, and glass create a visual balance that is luxurious yet approachable. Each material is chosen not only for its aesthetic value, but also for its ability to reflect and absorb light. This balance ensures the home maintains a contemporary yet timeless appeal, inviting admiration rather than intimidation. Furnishing a modern black home is an art of balance. Too much contrast, and the space loses its minimalist essence. Too little, and it risks monotony. Thoughtfully selected furniture with clean lines, subtle curves, and neutral tones add warmth to the bold backdrop. Textiles like soft wool rugs, linen curtains, and leather accents introduce comfort without disrupting the home's minimalist integrity. Each piece is a deliberate choice, ensuring the home remains a sanctuary of refined simplicity. While black is striking, it can feel austere without the right elements to balance it. Incorporating greenery into a modern black home introduces a touch of nature, softening the boldness while reinforcing the connection to the environment. Indoor plants with lush green foliage create a contrast that is both invigorating and calming. Vertical gardens or minimalist planters provide a sense of life without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. These natural accents ensure the home remains welcoming, not intimidating. A modern black home often embraces open floor plans, creating a sense of flow that enhances spaciousness. The use of black partitions or black frame glass allows for defined yet fluid boundaries between living spaces. Open layouts not only maximize natural light, but also create opportunities for functional, multi-purpose areas. Black becomes a unifying thread that ties each space together, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic while allowing each area to have its unique character. Texture is essential to avoid the flatness that a dominant black palette might create. Rough-hewn wooden beams, exposed brick walls, and textured black wallpaper add a tactile quality that invites touch. In the kitchen, matte black cabinetry paired with sleek marble countertops creates a dynamic interaction between smooth and rough surfaces. In bathrooms, black stone tiles contrasted with brushed metal fixtures evoke a sense of modern luxury. Texture transforms black from a color to an experience. Lighting plays a crucial role in a modern black home, not merely as a necessity but as an art form. Strategic lighting choices, such as recessed ceiling lights, statement pendant fixtures, and floor lamps, highlight the architecture and enhance the mood. Soft, warm lighting prevents the space from feeling cold, while accent lights emphasize artwork, sculptures, or texture walls. The contrast between illuminated spaces and darkened corners creates a layered, intimate atmosphere. A modern black home can be bold without sacrificing comfort. The balance between monochrome aesthetics and warm, inviting textures ensures that the space is not only visually striking but also livable. Cozy seating areas, plush cushions, and carefully selected artwork make each room feel personal and relaxed. Black may be dramatic, but it can also be grounding, offering a sense of protection and tranquility in a fast-paced world. While design trends come and go, the appeal of a modern black home remains timeless. The restraint of minimalist design combined with the depth of black creates a sense of sophistication that endures. Black, as a color of confidence and elegance, transcends temporary fads, making a statement that feels both relevant and enduring. Choosing a modern black home is not just a preference, it's a commitment to a style that balances boldness with grace. A modern black home is more than just an architectural choice. It's a philosophy of living boldly yet thoughtfully. It celebrates contrast, embraces balance, and finds beauty in restraint. The minimalist approach, enriched by the depth of black, creates a home that is as introspective as it is expressive. For those who seek a home that stands apart while reflecting a refined, contemporary aesthetic, embracing the grandeur of a modern black home is a step toward a distinctive and meaningful lifestyle.